we're going to explore the incredible power of our jaws and the havoc it can wreak on our mouth. Your upper and lower jaw muscles can exert a great deal of force. When you chew your food, your jaws exert about 175 pounds per square inch of force. This tin can represents what that amount of force can do to your food. But if you grind your teeth at night, your teeth can end up absorbing twice as much force, or more. This condition is known as bruxism. The word bruxism comes from the Greek word brychen, meaning to gnash the teeth. This phrase conjures up images of ferocious fighting between ancient armies, but in fact, this is precisely what happens in your mouth when you grind your teeth at night. Your teeth work against each other, wearing them down. This can result in uneven teeth or a change in your bite. It can even weaken the ligaments that hold your teeth in place. Bruxism can affect the health of your teeth, your bite, and your jaw muscles. Fortunately, there are various techniques that dentists can use to treat bruxism and repair the damage it can inflict.